friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Zoha and today I welcome you to another episode of Cooking with Zoha. So today I'm making carrot garlic pickle. This is my grandmother's recipe which I'm sharing with you all today. To make this, we will need 1 bowl of julienne cut carrot, 1 tablespoon of crushed or finely chopped garlic, juice of half lemon, 2 teaspoons of sunflower refined oil, salt as per taste and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. So let's get started. So now we'll combine all the ingredients into a mixing bowl. Take carrot, garlic, lemon juice, oil, chili powder, and salt as per taste. So now we'll mix all the ingredients until well combined. It's a very simple recipe. I'm sure you will also like it. Do try and let me know in the comments. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you like my videos, smash that like button, and I'll see you the next time. Bye!